Hello guys, today we'll try to make API requests to the European Central Bank. Here we have Google it like API call ECB. Go to the first link. Here we have all the data about this API request, overview, data, examples, metadata. So go to the data. Here we have how it look like our request. So like protocol means like HTTPS. Entry point means this web service data API ecb.europe.eu. Flow ref, here is an example how to define. And here we have key parameter. We have like how we requested, how we will write it. Like this means obviously the frequency which they measured, like daily, monthly, early. USD, like it's the currency being measured. Euro, currency against which above currency is measured. And SP00, the type of exchange rate. And NA is like standard measure, like time series variation frequency. So let's make this request. We can make it by example. I think in the end we have some example. So here like EXR like exchange monthly USD euro. Obviously we go to the get data web. Here we have Europa service data. Let's make this daily USD euro. Yes, and I would like to add some parameter. So we should add here to add parameter question mark, and then several parameters with %. So question mark, and I would like to add some data, some date, start date, and start period, and date period, and end period, end period. So here in the end, I think you'll have some example. Yeah. So let's make request for the last like 10 years, 2014, and the end of period 2024, like 11/25, so current date. Let's try. Here we have request, we have header. Let's go to our dataset. We have table, series. Let's open it. This table. This is our attribute ID and attribute value. I'll show you how to pivot it for the better view. Here we have attribute and the value of the attribute, and at this point this is the agency. is our date. Here we have rates. And the last observation status. So, what do we have? Let's make this date. Select date. Here we have rate. I think replace with comma and select rate. And here we have like different count of data. Here I show you a few seconds. You see that we have like several confirmation status. We have several attributes. So all we need, we should pivot it. Like pivot, like attribute value, do not aggregate. And what do we have here? So we have the currency denomination, frequency, suffix, and extra type. Only one, I think so. So we should pivot it another column. Show like values, attribute value, attribute, and don't aggregate. And the last one, we have the same. So finally we have like daily exchange rate, euro, USD. This all will be text. And let's sort it to check that is all correct. Yeah, that's all good. Like daily exchange rate, but without weekends, as you see. So close and apply. Wait a little bit. So here we have. Let's make some chart with the data and exchange rate. Here we have daily exchange rate. Looks nice. Looks nice. data label. And this USD. Oh, Euro USD to be correct. So that's all. That's all you need to know.